If you want to create highlights on Facebook like this, then this video is for you. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process that how can we create highlights in few simple steps. First of all, open up your Facebook application. Now this is my Facebook profile on which we will add highlights. Go back to the home page and tap here on Create Story. Select that pictures and photos you want to add as highlights and press Next. Select Posting Type as Separate Stories. Tap here if you want to edit any picture or video. Once everything done, press on Share. Now our story has been posted. Go to your profile and tap here. Tap on View Story. In the bottom right side, you can see the option Highlight. Tap on it. Press on Add More. From here, add that pictures you want to set as highlights. Then tap here to change your highlight cover picture. Add your highlight title here. And finally press on Save. And our highlight will be added to our profile. For more options, tap on these 3 lines. That's it, guys. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.